Good morning class. I'm here again with the maths class and today I'm going to give you the solutions for the chapter 17 which is Roman numeral. I think if I'm not here so you must face a problem with the solutions and I hope the solution will make you more clear the things. I tried my level best to solve them in the best way I can so that you feel like that your teacher is with you always. Okay, not your teacher, your friend, your supporter, your mentor will always be there with you. So that's why today I am giving you the solutions. Okay, so take a look. There is only one exercise and in the later on classes now I'll give you the solutions for chapter 2 also. So write the following in the Roman numerals. So here is the answer. You can take a look over question number 1, 39, 105, 293. First write 200, then 90, then 3, then 540. First write 500, then 40, 429. First write 400, then 20, then 9. Similarly, 315, write 300, then 15. 449, first write 400, then 40, then 9. Okay. 557, first write 500, then 50, then 7. 925, 925. And the question number 2, write the following in the Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, so as I told you now, first of all you have to write them the single Roman numeral according to their Hindu Arabic value and then add them all so that you can get the number very clearly. Okay, triple C LX IX, that means 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 9. IX as you know is a 9, but I make it more clear for you. Okay, so that it will be more clear to you and you will get each and every point of that very clearly. Okay, that's in 369. Then double C XLV. XL stands for 40 na, XL that means 50. The smaller value Roman numeral is written on the left hand side of the greater value Roman numeral means subtraction, right? That's why. Okay, so I am here and I am going to send you the pictures of the solutions now with the homework so that you can match it and complete it for your reference. Okay, pictures for your reference. See, triple C L triple X V I, it's a 386. Okay, C XC, XC means 100 minus 10 means 90 and 5 plus 1 6. Take a look over there. G XC I cleared you already. Okay, I hope you all have go through with the rules regulations which I already told you. You cannot subtract I from the M, C, L and D. You can subtract I only from V and X. You can only subtract X from C and M. Okay, these are some rules. Okay, you can't write there are rules now. Can I repeat the rules once again for you? Okay, wait, first of all take a look over them. You can pause the video and check your answers very clearly. I hope it is all clear to you, the picture is clear to you, and I am also sending the pics of that solutions to you with the homework. Okay class, I promise you to send the pics of them. Take a look over them and then now here. Okay now I think it is more clear to you all. So the rules are like this: when a smaller value symbol is written before means on left hand side, before means left hand side, right? Now the greater value symbol is subtracted from the greater value. Like they have given IV means 4, IX means 9, XL. Okay, X you can subtract from L and C only, not more than that. Okay, the letters V, L and T were never subtracted. Okay, कभी नहीं हम लोग subtract कर सकते. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Similarly, X can be subtracted from L and C only once. When it comes to the subtraction, now you can subtract only one time. Okay class, when a smaller value symbol is written after the greater value symbol, then the smaller is added to the greater. When it is written on the right hand side, then you can repeat them 3 times again, which is the rule. Okay, VI means 6, XI means 11, LI means 51, CL means 150, CLX means 160. When a symbol is used more than once, एक बार से ज़्यादा, we add its value each time to get the number. Like triple C, double X, they have given you example. Like 3, when we are writing 3, we write I 3 times. The same symbol is not repeated more than 3 times in a row. 3 बार से ज़्यादा आप माइनस नहीं कर सकते, सॉरी ऐड नहीं कर सकते. Thus we don't write 40 as like this, but we write 40 as XL, means 50 minus 10, 40. Similarly 90 is written as XC. The symbol V, L and D are not repeated, repeat नहीं होते. 100 is written as C because already C is given to you for the 100 and not double L. Okay class, so I hope you got it, and I hope you already got the solutions, and I think you are eagerly waiting for the solutions so that you can match them. If you have any problem, you can let me know by your sources so that I can sort it out then. And please take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye till the next class.